So we have another situation here where this can easily get complicated. Okay, so we have to be patient and see what's going on. So first we try the denominator and see if it gives us the indeterminate form. If it doesn't, then we can already quickly conclude that the limit is 0. But here now, if we put it here, we get 3 over 3 minus 3, so we get 0. Okay, so we don't want that. So what do? We know that we've got a chance of, this is a smaller polynomial than that one. Why? Because this is a cube root, a fraction, and there we have 1. So this is subject to this. So we may as well just divide this into there and see what happens. But we can't, because I mean it will get very complicated here. So what we do is we say let, okay, x 1 over 3 equal to p. Right. Once we do that, then we can also find what x is. X is going to be x is going to be what? It's going to be p3. Okay, how? We say that we do this. Okay, and then also we apply the same power on this side. So this will cancel, hence giving us x is equal to p3. Right. So given these now, we can actually replace these into here. Right. So we're going to say x, we're going to put p3. Okay, and then we maintain 27. We haven't done anything with that. Then we can go on and say this one becomes p minus 3. And that's why I was saying that this could be a factor of that. So we test and see. Now again, we said that we shouldn't just say we're dividing with a factor of minus 3. We should actually do the whole statement like this, so that clearly we get the correct number to use. Okay, I've seen students make this mistake sometimes, where they'll put a negative here because this was a negative. So it's simple to just put this so that you actually visually see that to be a positive there. Okay, and then we get the factors from this one. We know that the first one is 1, the next is 0, the next is 0, the next is minus 27. The easiest way to remember is, remember we said that the number of terms is going to be the highest, the power of the highest, the degree of the function, then plus 1. Okay, so it's this plus 1. That will be the number of terms. Okay, so now we go on. Here we're dividing. So we say we bring 1 here, 1 there. It will give us 3. Then 3 will come and become 3. This will become 9. Okay, 9. There's synthetic division, long division videos that you can watch if you can't remember these. Okay, so then this becomes 9. Then that becomes 27. So we have 0. We've reached where we are trying to go. Right, so let's put this away. And now we've got the polynomials, so we can continue. So we're going to say this now can be changed to the 2, which is this one and the one at the bottom. So this one will become p minus 3. Okay, this is the function. And then we have p squared plus 3p plus 9. Okay, divided by, we're going to divide with p minus 3, like that. So now we can get rid of our p, and then we have p squared plus 3p plus 9. Okay, and now we can say, but, okay, we remember what p was. We said, but p is equal to x 1 over 3. So we replace this into that function. So we'll say x 1 over 3 squared plus 3. Then we have x 1 over 3. Okay, then we have plus 9. Okay, you'll notice that we've now put back our x, because this is x. We cannot simply take this and put it here. We are now dealing with a different variable. Okay, so now we put 27 1 over 3 squared. And don't be too quick to mix these two. Right, so here now we're going to have that, right, and then we'll have 27 1 over 3 as well, then plus 9. Okay, so we said that this is the cube root, so that gives us 3 squared plus 3, and then the cube root of that will give us 3, then we have plus 9. So this is going to be 9 plus 9 plus 9. So we've gone back to first grade and we have 27 there. So we can see that the limit of that function there, which is here, right, is this one. So you can now write that is equal to this. That will be our solution. Okay.